to Daily English Practice Channel. Today's topic is At the Coffee Shop. In this lesson, you will practice a real-life English conversation. You will learn how to order coffee, ask for takeaway, pay by card, and speak politely in English. Listen slowly, read the subtitles, and practice speaking with us.
Today, let's practice ordering coffee in English.
Great. I will be the barista.
And I will be the customer.
Perfect. Let's start with the full conversation.
Listen carefully first. You can repeat later.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a latte, please?
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like it for here or take away?
Takeaway, please.
No problem. Would you like any sugar?
No, thank you.
Anything else?
Yes, can I also get a blueberry muffin?
Sure. One latte and one blueberry muffin.
That sounds good.
That will be $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please tap here.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your coffee will be ready soon.
Great, thanks.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Great. That was the full conversation. Now let's learn some useful sentences from the conversation. Listen carefully and repeat after us. Useful sentence number 1. What can I get for you? This means, what would you like? You can hear this sentence in cafes, restaurants, and shops. Repeat after me. What can I get for you? Useful sentence number 2. Can I have a latte, please? This is a polite way to order something. You can say, can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a tea, please? Can I have a sandwich, please? Repeat after me. Can I have a latte, please? Useful sentence number 3. For here or take away. This means, do you want to drink it here? Or do you want to take it away? In Australia, people often say take away. Repeat after me. For here or take away. Useful sentence number 4. Anything else? This means, do you want one more thing? For example, the barista may ask, anything else? And you can say, yes, a muffin, please, or no, thank you. Repeat after me. Anything else? Useful sentence number 5. Can I pay by card? This is very useful in daily life. You can also say, can I pay with my card? Repeat after me. Can I pay by card? Now it is your turn. Listen and repeat. After each sentence, pause and say it out loud. Good morning. What can I get for you? Good morning. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a latte, please? Hi, can I have a latte, please?
What size would you like? What size would you like?
Medium, please. Medium, please.
Would you like it for here or take away? Would you like it for here or take away?
Takeaway, please. Takeaway, please.
Anything else? Anything else?
Yes, can I also get a blueberry muffin? Yes, can I also get a blueberry muffin?
That will be $8.50. That will be $8.50.
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Now let's listen to a new conversation. This time, we will use different words. Try to understand the meaning. Hi there. What would you like today?
Can I have a cappuccino, please?
Of course. Small, medium, or large?
Large, please.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, a banana bread, please.
No worries. Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
That comes to $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, tap here, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your order will be ready soon. Great job. Now you can order coffee in English. You learned how to ask for coffee, choose a size, ask for takeaway, and pay by card. Watch this lesson again and practice speaking out loud. Thank you for watching Daily English Practice channel. See you in the next lesson.